Namaste, welcome to Havilah Elsha kitchen. Today we are going to prepare cauliflower or gobi fried rice, which is very yummy and very tasty. Okay, let's see the process. Take boiled cauliflower. Now add 1 tablespoon of Kashmiri red chilli powder, salt as required, a little of pepper powder, add half tablespoon of ginger and garlic paste, 2 tablespoons of corn flour, and 1 tablespoon of maida. Mix it well. If you find it very dry, then add a very little amount of water and mix it well. Okay, people who like chaat masala can add, however I didn't add it here. Okay, now take a pan, add 5 to 6 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is hot, add cauliflowers. Fry until you find them crispy and golden brown in color. Once they are ready, take to a bowl. Okay, now take a kadai. Add 3 to 4 tablespoons of olive oil. Once oil is hot, add finely chopped garlic, ginger and fry for 2 minutes. Then add onions, capsicum, carrot, and saute it well until they are smooth and tender. Now add a little of pepper powder, salt, and then fry for 2 minutes. Now add 1 tablespoon of soya sauce, 1 tablespoon of red chilli sauce, and 1 tablespoon of tomato sauce. A very few red chilli flakes. Fry for 2 to 3 minutes. Now add pre-cooked basmati rice and mix well. Once it is nicely mixed, add fried cauliflower and then mix well. Okay, now transfer it into a serving bowl. Our cauliflower fried rice is ready. You can top it up with some coriander leaves. This is not only looks fantastic, trust me, it tastes very delicious. It was just simply superb. Thanks for watching our video. Please like and subscribe to our channel and follow us on Facebook and Instagram, Havilah Elsha Kitchen. Thank you. Bye bye, Alice.